Hello everyone, welcome back to the next session of this chapter, our environment. In previous session we have discussed about what is meant by ecosystem and what are the components of ecosystem. In this session we are going to talk about food chain and after that food web. So first of all we will discuss on the topic what is meant by food chain and how does it form. The word chain. What do you understand by this word chain? Chain means a linkage or something in a way in which each step is connected or related with the another or the previous stage, both. ठीक है? In case of environment or about our ecosystem, the food chain consists of different organism. How? I will explain. हमारे सराउंडिंग में आपने ये चीजें बहुत बार नोटिस की होगी कि सपोज यू हैव ग्रास और यू हैव एनी प्लांट. ठीक है? दिस कैन बी ईटन अप बाय. सपोज अगर ग्रास है तो ग्रास को सपोज ग्रास हॉपर ने खाया. सपोज ग्रास हॉपर को फ्रॉग ने खाया और फ्रॉग को स्नेक ने खाया. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट? ग्रास इज फीडिंग ऑन ग्रास हॉपर इज फीडिंग ऑन ग्रास, frog is feeding on grasshopper, snake is feeding on frog. Okay, snake can be eaten up by walk and all that we will see later, or that is a big thing. Then if you will see another, the plant can be eaten up by deer. Okay, deer can be eaten up by lion. या फिर अगर प्लांट को गोट खा रही है, गोट को फॉक्स खा रहा है, या फिर फॉक्स को टाइगर खा रहा है. When these organisms in the environment are depending upon each other for the food, that is called as food chain. Now what we mean by food always? Food that doesn't always mean what we are taking every day. हमारा जो पंच पकवान हम खाते सुबह शाम, that is food for us. For every species, for every organism, the concept of food is different. But for all living world organism or whole living world, the ultimate aim to get the food is to receive the energy. क्या हमें क्या चाहिए? एनर्जी चाहिए. एनर्जी क्यों चाहिए? Why do we need energy? We need energy to perform many functions throughout the span. मैं span बोल रही हूँ. Throughout the hour हो सकता है, throughout the day हो सकता है, throughout the particular time period हो सकता है. So whatever span we are having, इन दैट हम जो भी चीज कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें एनर्जी चाहिए. और वो हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? वो हमें मिलती है फूड से. क्लियर? सो एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म नीड फूड एंड फॉर दैट एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म डिपेंड अपॉन दी अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. बिकॉज इन प्रीवियस सेशन व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, द कंज्यूमर्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइप ऑफ फूड दे ईट. Clear? For example, plants are producers. Plants में सब कुछ आ सकता है, grass आता है, everything can be there in the plant. So these are called as producers. ये कौन हो गए आपके? Producers. So and then all these are the consumers, right? What all these are? These are consumers. Now consumers can be herbivores, they can be carnivores, they can be omnivores like us. Okay, means जो भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो डायरेक्टली प्लांट पे डिपेंड होते हैं या किसी प्लांट को ही खाते हैं, वो दे कम्स टू नेक्स्ट टू द प्रोड्यूसर लेवल, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट इज योर, what is next? Next is your carnivores, but the small carnivores, the carnivores which feed on or which take the herbivorous animals as their food are called as small carnivores. And then there are top carnivores or large carnivores. So like that in our ecosystem, in every type of ecosystem, चाहे वो desert हो, aquatic हो, terrestrial हो, grassland ecosystem हो, कोई भी इकोसिस्टम हो, हर एक इकोसिस्टम में ऐसी बहुत सी सारी फूड चेन्स रहती है, isn't it? और ये जो सारी फूड चेन्स है, that are helping to maintain the balance in the whole ecosystem. Suppose ये एक इकोसिस्टम है और ये इस इकोसिस्टम में ये जो सारे एनिमल्स है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They are feeding on one another. Why? To get the food. Why do we need food? Because we need, they need, everyone need food for energy. Understand the concept of food chain? See, one food chain can have some common component of that of others. Clear? Now we will move towards the food web. Okay, web. Web means what? Network. उस स्पाइडर का देखा है क्या? नेट वेब, that is called as the web. स्पाइडर का जो बनाते हैं ना वो. Have you ever seen that a place, suppose, which is not clean for long time, then at that time you will notice the web formed by the spider. Means what? The links are interconnected and it form a web. Like that, when many food chains come together, that forms a food web. Okay, food web means what? When many food chains are interconnected or many food chains are having same stages, same animals in the chain up to some extent, that are called as food webs. For example, here the grasshopper can be eaten by any bird. That bird can be eaten by cat. That cat can be eaten by fox. अगर वाइल्ड है तो, या फिर it can be eaten up by dog, right? Now here it can also be happen like deer, goat can be eaten up by jackal, and this jackal can be eaten up by tiger. Okay, so when in a food web many food chains are interlinked, interconnected, that time it forms a food web. Though it is a single food chain or though it is a combination of different food chains, so called as food web, having the same base, same organism, same living organism as a primary base of the food chain, food web, that is mean producer. What do we mean it? It means the producer. Clear? So this is only about the terrestrial ecosystem. You can have a food web or a food chain in case of aquatic ecosystem also. For example, small algae or small algal species are there. Okay, algal species are there. That can be eaten up by small fish. Okay, small fishes are eaten up by large fish. Okay, here these small fishes can be eaten up by other aquatic animals, and this can be eaten up by the large fishes. So this forms a food web. Do you understand? जब एक से ज्यादा फूड चेन के जो कंपोनेंट्स है उनमें जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है वो वन और द आइदर वे एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड रहते हैं, दैट फॉर्म्स अ फूड वेब. If you will study one by one, you will notice at the end one or the other step, चाहे वो प्रोड्यूसर की स्टेप हो, चाहे हर्बीवोर्स की हो या कार्निवोर्स की हो, हर एक स्टेज के बाद आप एक नोटिस करोगे कहीं ना कहीं पे कोई ना कोई फूड चेन दूसरे फूड चेन से लिंक हो जाती है, एंड दैट अल्टीमेटली फॉर्म्स अ फूड चेन. Now, food web. Now, this food web or this food chain is represented diagrammatically in a particular way along with the level of the animals which feed on that, and that is called as trophic level. What is meant by trophic level and how to represent in a diagrammatic form, that we will see in the next session.